Hey guys, I'm Brenton. Welcome to the Daily Devo, and today we're going to talk about a world without darkness. While there are moments where life is absolutely beautiful and there's not a thing we wouldn't change, there are also things about this world that we live in that are just completely dark. Hate, envy, jealousy, murder, depression, abuse. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. But I've got good news for you. It won't always be this way. You see, God has given you and I a promise. And the promise He's given us is that one day Jesus is coming back again. He's coming back again to defeat darkness, and He's going to do it once and for all. And after He defeats darkness, He's going to fulfill a promise He made to us. A promise that can be found in Revelation chapter 22, verses 3 through 5. It says this: "No longer will there be a curse upon anything, for the throne of God and of the Lamb will be there, and His servants will worship Him. And they will see His face, and His name will be written on their foreheads. And there will be no light there, no need for lamps or sun, for the Lord God will shine on them, and they will reign forever and ever." You see, one day God's going to create a new heaven and a new earth. And in this new heaven and new earth, we'll no longer have to worry about darkness, because God Himself will be a light for the world that will never, ever burn out. Most of you listening today are probably believers. But for those of you who aren't, and you want to experience this world without darkness, this world with nothing but peace and joy and love and happiness and the presence of God for all eternity, I want to encourage you to put your faith and hope in Jesus. It's a reason why Christians call Him the light of the world. It's because He has the ability to outshine any darkness that you and I will ever face. So let us all put our hope in Him, the light that will conquer darkness.